So thanks for joining us here in Austin. Before I pass it over to Kaushik and Raymond, your hosts who are going to welcome you, I just wanted to say a couple of things about first the Wi-Fi. So it's an open Wi-Fi UT guest that you can connect to. I also wanted to convey on behalf of OpenAirInterface our thanks to our sponsors. The first one here, Hanan, for Red Hat. So Hanan, thanks very much. There are 3 cheers, so one is for you. Thank you. and there happen to be 3 sponsors, so this is perfect. Yeah. And then we have Viavi. In the case of Viavi, thanks very much. I think we have our colleague over there. Hi, thanks. But I do have one complaint. Ian Wong was supposed to be, our sponsor, and he is a local person from Austin. And we brought the workshop to his hometown. He had to run off to Europe. So anyway, this happens. It's just a friendly complaint. And then our friends, the OAI box folks, Paolo, thanks for being a sponsor. And in the case of OAI box, we are always glad to see this logo because it immediately reflects back to OAI. So thanks for that. Kaushik, over to you.
Well, thank you for coming and showing up this early. When I travel to conferences, this morning 10 minutes, the first 10 minutes, this opening is one thing that we often skip. So I'm actually excited to see so many of you here and so very happy to welcome you all to Austin. Now, this is the first OAI Foundation US hands-on workshop, and special because this is the first event that is happening in the US after laying down the foundations in the US. And so we're very glad and excited to play a small role in these beginnings. Now, you're here in Austin, Texas, for a technical conference, or so that's what you thought. But I just want to let you know that there are many other cool things to do in Austin. Now, my colleague Irfan and Raymond will probably shepherd you to the sessions and the tracks and the demos. But I also want to let you know that there are some other exciting things happening around, and I'll just show you a few slides to let you know that if you can get out, if you can sneak out without them knowing, do explore a little bit of Austin. So, of course, this is the live music capital of the world, and not too far away, there are some excellent places where you can enjoy live music in the evenings. There are a plethora of outdoor activities around this venue, and in fact, someone just said that does not look like Austin, but truly it does. Beautiful jogging tracks, water areas, and such. So please do enjoy the surroundings in Austin. And for those of you who would like to immerse yourself in a little bit of, let's say, a Texas-style shopping, I would recommend just going down to South Congress. Some amazing places where you can pick up some authentic boots and hats and all the other gears that you would need to fit in. I think you'll have a very good time here. Of course, the F1 Circuit of the Americas is not too far. And just to let you know that we are also doing some important other big events around Austin. So we are hosting ACM MobiCom next year in around October, mid to late October timeframe. So if you're interested to participate in it, engage in some way, please reach out. I'll be the general chair and really looking forward to welcoming you back into Austin. All right, so with all that said, you are here at the University of Texas campus, and it's a premier research and educational institution. And throughout, you will see lots of engaged students who really want to learn more and engage in the hands-on demos, do the hands-on training workshops and such. So you'll see a lot of students being engaged in this event. Just to let you know a little bit about the wireless center here that I am part of, we have a very a stellar list of faculties who teach here, who do research, and they are all award-winning faculty who work on a number of different areas. All said, we value our research, but our best outcome is really our students. And you will see our students moving on into various positions in industry and academia, and you will find them to ask you very pointed questions as these sessions go through, because they really are here to learn from you and engage. Here's just a quick glance of what our faculty and who our faculty are and the topics they're working on. And please come and connect with us if you're interested to learn more. There is so much, in so many different ways we can engage. We also have a robust group of affiliates who support research within the Wireless Center here, and we are always eager to work with other partners and really grow and learn from them. So coming back to this workshop, this is a unique event again, as I said. This is the first US hands-on event, and this is a concrete step to deepen engagement within the US research and developer community. Now, there is a reason why the US is so enthusiastic about open source, because this can make a difference in the adoptions of 6G technologies within US. And the goal here is really to build a pipeline of engineers who have hands-on skills, industry-relevant experience right from the get-go. On the other side, this open source stack will also become a reference implementation, which will allow newcomers and startups to engage in the 6G ecosystem. So for these reasons, this event, I think, is exciting. It's something that we've all been planning for and been looking forward to a while, and we are so excited that you are here. I'm sure you will enjoy it greatly, as much as we've had in welcoming you to Austin and to the OAI workshop. So with that said, I just want to hand it over to my co-host, Raymond, and please enjoy the rest of the programming of the day.
Okay, thank you very much, Kaushik. So I'd first like to thank Kaushik and also the University of Texas for hosting us. I think it's great to be in the United States, and I think this will be an annual event in the US now. It's several years in a row that we're here. I'd also like to thank, of course, our strategic partners, in particular the ones in the United States, who I think are all represented here. Without you, we would not be where we are. This year will be important in the United States. I think everybody knows what's happening in the Linux Foundation with OAI and also with, I think, SRS-RAN. What Kaushik was saying now with the open source movement in the 6G ecosystem, I think it's going to be extremely interesting this year. And I'm very looking forward to seeing what we're going to see at this workshop and what's going forward in the next few months. I think you'll hear some things in the workshop about where we're going with the Linux Foundation. That will be talked about this morning, in particular the Duranta project. That's extremely exciting. I'd also like to thank the U.S. government. The OAI Foundation now, we have three employees in the United States. They're all here. I'm very happy that we have employees in the United States. It's a little bit difficult for us to manage because all of our team is spread across the world at this point. So it makes very late meetings for some of us. But the U.S. government is making that happen. There's been a lot of funding that's come into the OAI Foundation this year, and I hope that continues. And that's one of the reasons that we're going forward with Duranta, so that we can be part of the U.S. ecosystem. A lot of things are moving in the United States, in my opinion, a little bit faster than things that we have in Europe, and we have to take advantage of that. So I'm looking forward to talking about all these things with a lot of you, and I'm looking forward also to a lot of the demos. There's some very interesting things happening, in particular with new devices from some of our partners like NVIDIA. That we're spending a lot of time now coding on new architectures, and I think you'll see some of that here too. Not actually from our team, but from people in the community that are realizing the same thing as us. So that too will be extremely exciting. So I'm going to stop here. I think it's time to actually get down to the business, the technical business of this workshop. And I look forward to interacting with as many of you as possible over the next couple of days. Thank you.